ग्रॅज्युएशनच्या लास्ट इयरला ग्रॅज्युएशन झालंय. 2021 ला झालं. ओके. मग आता तुम्ही काय कुठे पार्ट टाइम जॉब करता की काय कसं? हो वा. पासपोर्ट हा ते परेलच फिनिक्स नाही ते कुठे कमला मिल्स मध्ये ग्राउंड फ्लोअरला. नाईस. Okay, so first things first. Okay, today's topic of discussion is calculation techniques. Okay. Okay, of course. So first things first, pen, paper. Okay. So just give the heading as calculation techniques. Okay. Two parts we'll be doing. Okay, one is squares, 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 and second is multiplication. Okay, now put the pen and close the book. Okay, any idea about banks? म्हणजे काय ऐकले ह्याच्या आधी? What have you heard about banks? नाही. Okay, so plain. Okay, basically simple. I'll just brief you on that. Okay, so basically these exams, हे सगळे जे exams आहेत, okay, these are usually used or usually given, okay, for nationalized banks. Okay, nationalized banks means okay, the banks run by government. So basically सरकारी नोकरी. So it is a government job, to be honest. Okay, so in that case, IBPS is the conducting agency which conducts exams. And apart from that, IBPS, okay, IBPS conducts exam for bank, okay, nationalized banks such as Bank of Baroda, okay, Bank of India, Indian Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. These are nationalized banks, okay. And IBPS also conducts exam for SBI, okay, which is a separate bank. Of course, it is government bank, but its exam is conducted separately. So that are two different things. Two posts are included. First, okay, is the clerical post for, of course, IBPS also and for SBI also. Second is the PO, that is probationary officer. Okay, and even the bank conducts, okay, IBPS conducts exam for SBI as well as nationalized banks. Now, apart from these banks, what you can appear for, okay, you must have heard of companies such as LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, or GIC, okay, that is General Insurance Corporation. Okay, even those exams, okay, their vacancies are filled by IBPS. Okay, so once you study, or rather once you know these things, okay, you will be able to give variety of exams. That is first part. Okay. Second, what is your background? Like in commerce, arts, science? Commerce. Okay. So of course, banks are related to commerce. That is the first thing. Okay. Second, you should be good with calculation. That is the reason the first part that we will be discussing about is calculation techniques. Okay. I hope online my voice is audible. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. So now moving ahead. Okay. What is your maths background? 11, 12, did you have maths or you took secretarial practice? Maths घेतलंस की secretarial practice होतं? SP होतं. Okay, म्हणजे maths गेले 3-4, maybe 5 years you're not. बॅग घेतलं होतं. ओके, सो मग मॅथ्स होतं त्याच्यात? मॅथ्स नव्हतं. हा, एक्झॅक्टली, म्हणजे मॅथ्स नव्हतं ना तू. येस, फेअर एनफ. So the first thing that you need to do, okay, from your side, okay, you should be well versed with tables. Okay, ज्याला आपण पाढे म्हणतो. Okay, tables from 1 to 20 minimum. Okay, जसं जसं टाइम जाईल, ओके, 30 पर्यंत टेबल्स यायला पाहिजे. सो 1 to 30 you should be well versed with tables. Okay, now apart from tables, okay, you should be well versed with squares. Squares म्हणजे वर्ग. 2चा वर्ग 4, 3चा वर्ग 9, हे सगळे तुला 30 पर्यंत यायला पाहिजे. You should know till 30. And cubes, okay, cubes is घन. 1 पासून 20 पर्यंत. Okay, so 1 to 20 you should be well versed with cubes also. Okay, That is the first thing that you should know before, okay, going for the exam, or rather before attending any lecture. Because bank exam is not difficult, but you should be very good with calculations. Okay, because in 1 hour you'll have to solve 100 questions. Okay, in 100 questions you have 30 English, 35 maths, 35 reasoning. Okay, so for those things, okay, you should be good with calculations. Okay, so 1 hour 60 minutes for 100 questions. So hardly you have some time for per question. You should be good with calculation. That is the reason you should be well versed with tables, squares, and cubes. Okay. Now, why we should be good with numbers? So the first thing that we should go good with numbers, it is because it affects everywhere. Okay. Even if you do maths, okay, or rather even if you do reasoning, there will be numbers associated. Okay. In reasoning, you have a topic called as sorry, not blood relation, but something known as, okay, puzzles, wherein numbers do play a role. Okay, it is not maths, but numbers are important. Hence, in those cases, you should be well versed with numbers. Okay. So now, what I want you to write it down. Okay, write squares from 11 to 30. You can make. Okay, you can take your phone. Okay, type Google heading as squares from 11 to 20 and write it fast. Okay, so everyone. Okay, one should write tables from 11 to 30 in their book. Okay, please sit with a pen and book. Okay. Yes. नाव काय तुमचं? रितिका. Okay. Okay, everyone write squares. Very good, nice. Okay, just memorize these numbers. Okay, great. Yes. Okay. Now we'll make use of these numbers, okay, to find squares. Okay. So now what are squares? Okay, of course. So students, okay, if in case, okay, you'll have to find square for 98. So what is the square of 98? So first things first, okay. For to find a square for big numbers, okay, one should be known, okay, that this square value is going to be in how many digits? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 98 square is going to be a 4-digit number. Okay. How will we understand ki how many digits? So basic common sense hai. Okay. 100 is the number near 98. So 100 ka square is going to be 10,000. ओके, सो 10,000 इज 100 स्क्वायर, तो ऑफकोर्स एक डिजिट यहाँ पर कम है. ओके, एंड 10,000 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 5-digit नंबर. ओके, तो ऑफ कोर्स स्मॉलेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर है, तो कहने से प्रीवियस नंबर इसका 9999 न होगा, hence 98 square is going to be a 4 digit number. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, now the next thing that one should know, okay, that how to do the method. Okay, so method is 98 is closer to 100. Okay, so take the difference, 100 minus 98, it is 2. Okay, now what to do with this 2? We will take the square, take the square of this number. 2 square is 4. Okay, that's it. Second step, what we need to do here, okay, write the number 98. Okay, we'll write the number 98. And next, what are we going to do? Okay, we are going to subtract, okay, from 98. What are we going to subtract? This 2. So 98 minus 2 is going to be 96. Okay, hence, okay, 96 and 4 are the digits that I've got. 1 2 3 4 5, 4 digits. Start from the left. So 96 you will write at the start. Okay, and only 4 is there, but here it is 2 places. So what we will do? We'll put a 0 and a 4. Okay, hence 98 ka square is 9604. Okay, now similarly, if I take 96 square, okay, again 96 square is going to be 4 digit number. Okay, this 96 is near to 100. Okay, first thing. Okay, same step we will be following. So 100 minus 96, it is 4. Now what to do with this 4? Square the 4. Okay, 4 square is 60. Second, write the number 96. Okay, now we will be subtracting minus. What we will subtract? This 4. So 96 minus 4 is 92. Okay, we have 4 digits here. We have 4 digits here. We'll start writing it from the left. So it is 92 and this 16. Hence 96 square is 9216. Basic clear? समजून लिहिलं का? Okay, चल. So now we will do some add-ons. Okay. So 1996 is okay. Now let us see the square. Okay. For 88. Okay. Chalo. 88 square. Again, 88 square is going to be a 4 digit number. That is for sure. Okay. First things first. Okay. What we'll do 100 minus 88, which is nothing but 12. Now 12 square is 144. Okay. Second step is what? 88 minus 12. Very good. So which is nothing but 76. But now I have 4 digits. Here I have 5 digits. Okay. Yes or no? It should be a 4 digit number. We have 5 digits. Now what to do? Can I say ये जो 1 है ना, this 1. Okay. You will take a carry forward. 77. Carry forward is not simple. In our childhood, as we used to do not. 18 plus 9. 8 plus 7, 9, 17. 1. So this is this carry forward here. Okay. So now our answer is going to be 7 744. Clear? Okay. Now you find it for 92 square, everyone. Okay. 81 square and 76 square. Okay. Try doing it by this method so that it will, you will absorb this method. नाही, ऑफकोर्स नाही. एक्झाम मध्ये थोडं कॅल्क्युलेटर लावलं. कॅल्क्युलेशन टेक्निक मध्ये कॅल्क्युलेटर ओपन करायची गरज लागली, देर इज नो पॉइंट. नाही, आपण करू ना, मी सॉल्व्ह करणार, डोंट वरी. एटी 92 चं झाले, 6 येणार काय? गडबड आहे. 64 आणि 80चा स्क्वेअर रूट. ठीक आहे, हरकत नाही. तू 81चं काढ. आता विचार कर, 81चा एवढा जास्त ना 92चा एवढा कमी कसं येणार? गडबड केलीस ना. ठीक आहे, हरकत नाही. पुढच्याकडे Good. Chalo. Yes. Okay. Good. Chalo. Nice. So maybe 92 square. So take 92, we will do it here. 92 square. Of course, it will be a 4-digit number. Okay. So 92 is what? 100 minus 8. 8. We will square 8. 8 square is 64. Okay. Next is 92 minus 8, which is 84. So it is 8464. Okay. लिहून घेता है. ठीक. कळलं ना? लिहून घे. झालं लिहून? व्हेरी गुड. चलो. 81 and 76. ठीक है. चलो. 81 square students. Of course, again a 4-digit number. First step, it is 100 minus 81. 19. We will square this 19, which is 361. Second is 81 minus 19, which is 62. Of course, we have, it should be a 4-digit number. We have 5 digits. We'll take this as carry forward. Okay, so 62 plus 3, 65. So we'll start writing from this. So it is 6561. Okay, and I guess next one was 72. Okay, so 76. Okay, 76 square is again a 4-digit number. Okay. First step, 100 minus 76 is 24. We will square 24. So 24 square is nothing but 576. Okay. So next step, what we are going to do, it is 74 minus 76. We subtract this 24, which is 52. Again, students, okay, it should be a 4-digit number. We have 5 digits, so 5 will be get carry forward, which is 57. So we'll start writing from this bottom, which is 5776. Okay. So now we saw methods, okay, to calculate squares close to 100, okay, and less than 100. Okay. Now we'll focus our calculation, okay, on squares which are greater than 100. Okay. So those who are online, please write it down quickly so that we move ahead. Okay, so now let us find, okay, squares of values more than 100. Okay. So if I say 106 square, so now this is not going to be a 4-digit number. This will be a 5-digit number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why will be a 5-digit number? Because भाई साहब 100 का स्क्वायर ही होता है 10,000. 10,000 गुड 5-digit नंबर है, तो 106 का स्क्वायर भी 10,000 के ऊपर ही होने वाला है. Hence it is going to be a 5-digit number. Now steps are almost similar. Okay, there we used to subtract from 100. Now in this case, what we are going to do, we will subtract 100. 106 minus 100, which is what? 6. What we'll do with this 6? We'll square this 6. Okay, 6 ka square is 36. Step 2, we write the number as it is. In previous cases, okay, the numbers were less than 100. We subtracted, okay, minus sign. In this case, these numbers are greater than 100, so we'll plus. That is only difference. Okay, plus what? 6. 106 plus 6 is 112. So right, starting from this, okay, left hand side. So it is 1, 1, 2, and the last 2 digits will be occupied by this 36. Hence the square for 106 is 11236. Again, if you take a smaller number, say for example 102 square, again it is going to be a 5-digit number. Okay, same steps we are going to evaluate. It is 102 minus 100, which is 2. We will square this 2. That is 4. Okay, next step, Write the number as it is. Okay, put the sign as plus because the numbers are greater than 100. Plus what? This 2. 102 plus 2 is 104. Okay. So starting from here, we will start filling 104. Of course, I have a 4. I have two digits, so I'll place a 0 and then a 4. So it is 10404. Clear? Take this. Okay. Now find squares of these numbers. Three number 113, 119, and 124 square. Okay. Find for these numbers. Carry forward on. Okay, whenever the digits will be more, we will take that as carry forward. तू आता मागे बघ पण आजपर्यंत ते लक्षात राहू द्या. आणि अजिबात ओके डोंट मेक इट इन अ हेस्ट. ओके लेट इट आराम से. म्हणजे मी आहे तू एकटे आहेस तर मग तुझ्यावर प्रेशर नाही. स्टे चिल, टेक युअर ओन टाइम. द आयडिया इज टू गेट द आन्सर करेक्ट अँड नॉट टू गेट इट क्विक. Done. Chalo. Let us do it. So 130, 190, 124. Chalo. 113. So of course, students, this is going to be a 5-digit number. So first step, it is 113 minus 100, which is nothing but 13. So now what we are going to do? Square 13. 13 square is 169. Second step. Okay, 113 plus. Okay, plus. In first case, less than 100 minus, more than 100 plus 13, which is nothing but 126. Okay, of course, now it should be a 5-digit number. We have 6 digits here. What are we going to do? Again, we'll take this as carry forward. This is going to be 127. So now we are going to write it 127 and then this 69. So 69. So the answer is 12769. Next number was, I guess, 119, correct? 119 square. Okay. So similar method is going to be followed, students. 119 square is again going to be a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First step, 119 will subtract 100, which is nothing but 19 square is 361. Okay. Next step, what we are going to do? 119 plus 19. Okay. Yes. 138. Okay. Again, it is a 5-digit number. We have 6 digits here. Again, we are going to take a carry forward of 3. Okay. Plus 3, which is 141. Hence, we'll start rifling it from the left. So it is 141. Now this 3 is already being adjusted here. So we'll only write this 61. 61. Clear? Okay, take this, and online students also take this. बघूया मला रट्टा नाहीये पण मी पण टेस्ट करणार. तुझा आन्सर सेम आलाय का? गुड. ठीक आहे, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, चलो. Next is 124 ना. So 124 square is going to be again a 5-digit number. First step, 124 minus 100, which is 24. Again, 24 का square is, students, 576. Step 2, 124 plus 24, which is nothing but 148. Okay, again, okay, we have 6 digits here. We'll have to adjust here 5 digits. So again, take this as carry forward. So 148 plus 5 is 153. So it is 153 from the left, and then 7 6. Okay, so online students, take this. Now let us take some different numbers. Okay. So Surya, now we understood, okay, squares of numbers less than 100, okay, as well as greater than 100, but within a specific range, okay, we had a specific range, okay. Had I directly asked you for the square of, okay, say for example, 58, okay, again 58 square is going to be a 4-digit number, that is not the case, okay, but if you try to find it with respect to 100 minus 58 is 42. Lekin again 42 ka square, how will you find? So that is again a challenge. Okay. So now we'll have to change something here. Okay. We cannot take 100 as our value. Okay. We cannot take 100 as our value. Okay. So now what is our value going to be? Okay. What is our value going to be? Our value is going to be 50. Our value is going to be now 50. So in previous cases, we used to subtract numbers from 100 and by 100. So when it was greater than 100, we subtracted 100 from it. When the numbers were closer than 100, we subtracted from 100. Now 58 is closer to 50. Okay. First step here is 58 minus 50, which is nothing but 8 square. 8. Then we square that. So 8 square is 64. So basic step. Second, 58. 58 is greater than 50. So we'll do a plus sign. Okay, 100, if it is less than 50, we'll minus. Greater than 50 plus what? 8. So which is what? 58 plus 8 is what? 64. But don't directly write 6464. Okay, we'll have to wait. The reason is, okay, 50 के case में, okay, can I say 50 is half of 100? Okay, so end में we will divide by, what up? So in end we will divide by 2. Why? Because 50 is half of 100, which is nothing but 32. So now write it from here, 3, 2, 6, 4. Okay, so one step extra is only dividing by 2 because it was less than 100. If you write 6464, answer is wrong. Okay. Again, if I say to ask you to find 63 square. Okay, same steps. Okay, 50 is now going to be our base value. So 63 minus 50. 13 square. 169. No problem. Second step is 63 plus 13. Why? Because number is greater than 50. Okay. 66. Now we will divide by 2. So 66 divided by 2 is 33. Now we all are aware, students. Okay, our answer should be a 4-digit number. We have 5 digits. So we'll take this one as carry forward. Oh, 76. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. It is 76. Okay. Yeah. 76 first divided by 2, which is 38. And of course, now you can take this one carry forward. 39. So we'll start writing from 39. So it is 3, 9, and then these 2 digits, 6, 9. Okay, clear, students? I hope it is clear. Take this. And now you find for, okay, 61 and 66. 61 square and 66 square. एंड मध्ये डिवाइड बाय 2, डोंट फॉरगेट. ओके, चलो 3, या करेक्ट, 66. हा, डोंट वरी, बरोबर आहे. चलो, गुड, नाइस. 61 square and 66 square. 61 square. So 61 square, students, is going to be a 4-digit number. First step, you will take subtract 50 because 50 is our base value. 11. 11 ka square, 121. Step number 2. Write the number 61 as it is. You will add what? 11. 72. Now with this one, you are going to add. Why? Because it should be a 4-digit number. One number is extra. Finally divided by 2. 36. See, even I forget it. Plus 1. So it is 37. 37, 2, 1. Next we have a 66. A 4-digit number again. So again 66 minus 50, students. Nothing but 16. 16 square is 256. Okay, 196. No, sorry, 16 square is 196. 256. I get 256 is it? Okay. So then 66 plus 60. 82. Now divide by 2. Why? Because our base value is 50. We had taken 50 as the base value. Divided by 2, which is nothing but 41. Okay, again here, students, we have 5 digits. Number of places are 4. We will take this 2 as carry forward. 43. And the answer is 4, 3, 5, 6. Okay, good. Okay, so students online, you can take this. हा म्हणजे 80च्या रेंज मध्ये 100. बघ, मेन तुला स्क्वेअर्स कितपर्यंत माहिती आहेत लिहिलेले? 30. तर मग 100चा प्लस 30 पर्यंत जाऊ शकतेस, 100 मायनस 30 पर्यंत जाऊ शकतेस त्या मेथडने. या केसमध्ये तू 50 प्लस 30, 50 मायनस 30 ने जाऊ शकतेस, जी तुला योग्य पडेल. ओके, ती मेथड तू वापरणार. जो तुझा स्क्वेअरचा रेंज आहे त्याच्या पुढे नाही जाऊ शकत. तुला मी सांगितलं 144चा स्क्वेअर शोध. ओके, नाही शोधू शकणार तू, बिकॉज 100 तुला माहितीच आहे प्लस 30 पर्यंत आपण जे लिहिलेत ते. जर तू 50 पर्यंत टेबल पाठ करशील स्क्वेअर, तर मग डेफिनेटली तुला सगळी रेंज येणार. ओके, सो डिपेंड्स की तुझी स्क्वेअरची रेंज कुठपर्यंत पाठ आहे. ओके, बऱ्याच मुलांना 50 पर्यंत स्क्वेअर्स माहिती असतात. ओके, तर मग त्यांचा तो रेंज वाढतो स्क्वेअर काढायचा. ओके, मेथड सेम राहणार. ओके, तुला रेंज वाढवायची, यू शुड इन्क्रीज दॅट स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू. 30 पर्यंत केले, यू शुड डू इट टिल 40, 50. You can cater the entire range. Okay, so now these are numbers greater than 50. Let us focus on numbers less than 50. Okay, so if I ask you to find a square for 46, okay, So of course, 46 ka square is also going to be a 4-digit number, students. So now we will, from 50, we will subtract 46, which is nothing but 4. Now what we do? Square this for 16. Second step, 46. Now this number is less than 50, so we will take minus 4, which is nothing but 21. Sorry, 42. Now, students, this is okay. Our in this case, our base value is 50. Okay, so bhai sahab, end may will divide it by 2, so which is nothing but 21. So our answer is 2116. Clear? Okay, now you all can try for 42 square and 37 square. Okay, 42 and 37 square. Done? Chalo. So let us understand 42 square. 42. So student, 42 square is going to be a 4-digit number. First step. Okay. 50 minus 42, which is nothing but 8. We will square this 8. 64. Next step. Okay. 42 minus 8. 34. Our base value is 50. So हम लोग क्या we divide by 2. 17. So answer is 1764. Okay. Next is I guess which number? 37. Okay. Chalo, 37 square. Okay. Now students will have to be 37 का square. Okay. So basically अभी 37 का square will be a 3-digit number or 4-digit. First things first, 35 का square is a 4-digit number. Hence 37 का square भी 4-digit number ही होगा. Hence first step, 50 minus 37 is 13. We will square this 13. 169. Step 2. Okay. 37 minus 13. Why minus? Because it is less than 50, which is 24. And may divide by 2. Yes, very good, which is 12. Okay, now we have 4 digits, we have 5 digits. We take this one as carry forward. It is 13. So it is 136. So students, in this case, okay, we can cover numbers. Okay, so 100 plus 30 minus 30. If you are well versed with tables from 1 to 30, sorry, squares, अगर आपको 50 तक स्क्वायर्स पता है तो आप 150 से लेकर 50 वो आपका बड़ा रेंज बन जाएगा. ओके, सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट स्क्वायर यू आर लर्निंग. Okay, if your learning is good till square 50, okay, you can cater a bigger range, okay, with respect to these problems. Okay, so now these were all numbers less than 100 till 100 greater than 100. Okay, so if I ask you for the square of 206, okay, so be of course 206 is the number which is close to 200 and not 100. Okay, तो 200 का स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा? 200 का स्क्वायर विल बी 40,000. So again a 5-digit number. So 206 is again going to be a 5-digit number. First thing. Second step. Now our base value is 200. What will do? 206 minus 200, which is nothing but 6. We'll do what? 6 square 36. Step 2. Again, what are we going to do? Write 206 as it is. Okay. As a number is greater than 200 plus this 6, which is nothing but 212. In previous cases, the number was 50 and may be divided by 2. In this case, the number is 200, which is 100 into 2. So end may will multiply this by 2. Okay, which is nothing but 4, 2, 4. Now I have 5 digits here and 5 digits here. So I'll write 4, 2, 4 and may 3, 6. Okay, तो जहां पर भी नंबर 100 का मल्टीपल होगा एंड में उतने मल्टीपल से यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट. Okay, if it is 300, say for example, n may will multiply it by 3. 400 है तो multiply by 4. 500 तो multiply by 5. Okay, so again, similarly, if the number is less than 200, if I ask you to find for 191 square, so 191 square is also going to be a 5-digit number. First step, okay, 200 minus 191, which is nothing but 9. What we will do? 9 square, 81. Next step, 191 9 minus, because the number is less than 200, base value से number छोटा है, we will minus it, minus by 9, 182. So now students, we have 5 digits here and 5 digits here. Start writing from the left. So 18281. Clear? Now I will tell you, now find for 176 square, 222 square and 182 square. Okay, mix. n में multiply by 2. Okay, base values are all less near to 200, so we'll multiply it by 2. And then if there is carry forward, you will take that carry forward also. मत कर घाई नको. The idea is to understand. मायनस प्लस कुठे करते का नीट बघ. लेस देन 200 असेल तर मायनस आहे. -24 करणार. आणि एंडला इंटू 2 करणार. झालं. पण अमाउंट 6 कॅरी फॉरवर्ड घेतो ना आपण. ओके चलो लेट अस सी. 176 222 182. ठीक है चलो 176 स्टूडेंट्स. Of course, mind it, the base value is 200 now. This will be a 5-digit number. So 200 minus 176 is 24. We will square this 24. So 24 is a square, 576. Very good. Next, what are we going to do, students? 176. Number is less than 200, so minus 24. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 152. Okay. Into 2 पहले कर लेंगे, which is 304. Now, students, 6 digits we have here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number should be a 5-digit number. Take this 5 as carry forward. 30,976 is our answer. Okay, very good. Next is what? 222. Chalo. Again, students, in 222, the base value is 200. Okay. Similarly, 222 minus 200, which is nothing but 22. Now we will square this. So it is 484. So step number 2. Okay, write the number as it is. 222. Yes. 222 plus this 22. 244. Okay. Yes. Take this 4 as carry forward. Or into 2 first, which is nothing but 8. Okay. 488. And we take this 4 as carry forward by student. It should be a 5-digit number. We have 6 digits here. 4 को carry forward ले लो भाई. 492. Hence the answer is 492 and end में this 84. Okay. So online students can you take this? याला किती? 182. हाँ किती आहे? 3122. ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त कसं येणार? ह्याच्यापेक्षा कमी यायला पाहिजे ना 222 पेक्षा. हम्म 531 ह्याच्यापेक्षा मोठी येणारच कशी? चुकतेस तू. राहू दे आता आपण करू नको. ओके तुम्ही कुठेतरी प्लस केलं असणार बेटासारखं. ओके काय क्वेश्चन आहे? 120 182 स्क्वेअर. आता लक्षात आहे मे बी कळेल तुला. ओके सो 200 minus 182 फर्स्ट स्टेप is nothing but 18. 18 चा स्क्वेअर आहे 324. Okay, second step is 182 minus 18. Okay, which is nothing but 164. Of course, into 2, 328. Okay. Plus 3. Silly mistake. No problem. But understanding is more important. So it is 331. Okay, and then this is 24. Okay. 3 चा आगे 5 less. Okay. Not a problem. Concept clear है. Main concept matter करते. Okay. Calculation is where you can look upon. Concept matters. Okay. आता मिक्स घेऊया. ओके आता बेसिक झालेत आपले. ओके नाउ लेट अस टेक मिक्स. नाउ आय हॅव टॉट यू व्हॉट टू डू. ओके लिहितेस का? झालंय ना तुझं? चलो. Okay, now random numbers 484, 516. Okay, 380, no 371. First things first. Okay, 484 and 516 will have 500 चा base value. 371 will have 400 चा base value. Okay. Second, number of digits. Okay, will now change because okay. How will I understand? first things, number of digits will change. Okay, little common sense. Okay, 300 ka square is going to be 90,000. Okay, 1 lakh is a 5-digit number, hardly 10,000 ka difference. Okay, so now I'll just check. Okay, okay, first things first. Okay, now let us understand squares of numbers ending with 5. If I want to find the square of number ending with 5, it is very simple. Okay, first thing is 5 ka square, right? 25 10. First step, 5 ka square, 25. Second step, whatever number is there before 5, multiply this by the next digit. So 3 ke baad the digit is 4, 12, and write this 12. And the answer for 35 is 1225. Okay, any number ending with 5, you should do this. If I ask you the square of 75, first step is 5 square, which is 25. Next step is 7 into 8, which is 56, right? 56. So it is 5625. If I ask you to write the square of 1635 square, same step, एंड में 25 ही आएगा. 13 will be multiplied by 14. So 3 4s are 12, to 1 carry forward, 1 into 4, 3 into 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 8, 1 into 1 is 1, so it is 182. So any number ending with 5, okay, so logic will go 5 ka square 25, number which is there before 5, okay, multiplied by the next digit. हे पण लिहून घ्या आता, हे नव्हतं सांगितलं. Then we'll discuss about, okay, other numbers. Okay, so numbers ending with 5 is very simple, students. Okay, it's a very basic method. Okay, you find for 95 square. Okay, Ritika, after writing this, find for 95 square. Yeah. ऐसे क्या दिया ना? Yes, correct. 9025. Very good. Okay. Sorry, क्या बोली? हाँ तम. Okay, of course, students. So 95 square is going to be 5 5 is 25. 9 के बाद the number will be 10. Okay. 9 into 10 is 90. Okay, so answer is 9025. So very good. So far, so good till here. चलो. Let us do it. हाँ. So now how should we check whether it will be a 4 digit number or 5 digit number? तो अभी पता चल रहा है कि 300 का स्क्वायर 90,000 है. ओके, तो ऑफ कोर्स 484 371 तो वैसे भी 5 डिजिट नंबर होने वाले, बट लेट अस स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड. सो इफ आई राइट इट फॉर 350 स्क्वायर, 35 का स्क्वायर हम लोग ने अभी ढूंढा 1225 था. तो अगर 350 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा और दो जीरो ऐड होगा 122500. हेंस कहने से नाउ इट इज अ 6 डिजिट नंबर. हेंस स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑल दीज नंबर्स आर गोइंग टू बी 6 डिजिट नंबर्स. क्लियर है? तुला बोल नक्की हा मग सॉल्व्ह करत 484 516 आणि 371. Now you should understand how many digits it will come. Okay. Exam मध्ये it can be any number or rather any calculation can come. 484 ला बेस व्हॅल्यू 500. ते पण आता आपल्याला समजायला पाहिजे की बेस व्हॅल्यू काय घ्यायची. जे आपल्याला स्क्वेअर्स माहिती त्याच्या आसपासची बेस व्हॅल्यू. गुड. नाईस. एंड मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय बाय 5 करायचं इफ यू आर टेकिंग 484. हा मग कॉमन सेन्स आहे ना. आपण 200 ला इंटू 2 करत होतो तर 5 ला असणार इंटू 5 ला करावं लागणार. जेव्हा पण बेस व्हॅल्यू बदलते त्या हिशोबाने ते मल्टिप्लायर आणायचं. हाफ झाली तर 50च्या केसमध्ये आपण डिवाइड बाय 2 करायचो. ओके. 371 ची 400 बेस व्हॅल्यू येईल. ओके. बेस व्हॅल्यू फॉर 371 विल बी 400. एंड मध्ये विल मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 4. करेक्ट आहे. ऑफकोर्स 400 घेऊन फायदाच काय. 84चा स्क्वेअर रट्टाय तुला. नाही ना, मग ऑफकोर्स तसंच घ्यायचं. नेक्स्ट नंबर काय 516. चलो, let's try it out. बघूया what comes into our hand. Step by step, we start from 484, 516, 371, 484. Of course, students, calculation is going to be a little hectic part, but as the name suggests, we are doing calculation technique. So 484 square, base value of 500 now. 500 minus 484. 16 square is 256. Okay, next. Okay, what is the next step? 500, 484. Okay, 9 plus 9 minus येणार का? Base value पेक्षा छोटी value है ना? Minus 16. Okay, which is 468. Now we will multiply this 468. Okay, into 5, which is 2360. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take this 2, add this here. So it is 2, 3, 6, 2. So 2, 3, 6, 2 and end में 5, 6. So it is 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 6. No problem, but let's understand. Next is what? Next number? 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Again, students, in 5 and 6, our base value is going to be 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be a 6-digit number. Okay. So 5 and 6 ka square. 5 and 6 minus 500. So now this number is greater than the base value, which is 16. 16 square is 256. Okay, next what we have is 5 and 6. Very good. Plus 60. Why? Because it is greater than the base value. So it is 532. Okay, yes, very good. Multiplied by 5. Why? Because the base value is 500. So it is 100 into 5. So end may multiply by 5. It is 0, 6, 1, 2, 6, 6, 0. Can I take this 2 as carry forward? Which is 2, 6, 6, 2. Why I took it as carry forward, student? Because again, it is a 6-digit number. We had 7 digits. So एक carry forward लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 2, 6, 6, 2 and end में 5, 6. Okay, students. So I hope you're understanding. Okay, rather you're getting the grip over these calculation methods that we are trying to solve it. Okay, it might seem longer, but once you are aware with this, okay, it is very quick, or rather it is very crisp to solve such questions. Okay, so online students, take this down. Okay, one number is remaining, which is 371. Okay, chalo. So 371. So now students, minded base value will be 400. Okay, it should be a 6-digit number. So 400 minus 371, which is 29. 29 का square है 841. Okay, next 371 प्लस की माइनस लगे प्लस माइनस कैसे ना लेस देन 400 है ना माइनस ओके गड़बड़ नहीं करेगी 29 ओके 342 एंड में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 so it is 861368 एंड में of course now we have 1 2 3 4 1 5 6 7 okay here number of digits are 7 here 8 7 digits okay we will take 8 as carry forward is 1 3 7 6 so now we'll write it it is 1 3 7 6 4 1 okay so now students are all aware that okay so we did square okay a lot of hundreds in numbers but what if the squares are in thousands okay if I say students find the square for 1013 the whole square or rather 1012 चलो 13 बहुत बार लिया 1012 the whole square of course why not okay so 1012 so first things first we should understand कि भाई how many digits this number is going to be so of course students now the base value is 1000 of course so 1000 का square will be what 1 and जितना zeros है उसका double so 6 zeros so it is nothing but 10 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number of digits are going to be now 7. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो पहला तो ये पता हो ले कर लेंगे कि भाई कितना स्क्वायर है, और रादर ओके हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स विल इट टेक. सेकंड स्टेप, ओके 1 0 1 2 minus 1000 is nothing but 12. 12 square 144. Next step 1012 now plus this 12. 1024. Okay, so now students I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now students यहाँ पर इंटू 10 वगैरह करने का नहीं है, बिकॉज बेस वैल्यू ऑलरेडी 1000 आ चुका है. ओके, हंड्रेड के केस में ऐसे 200 300 400 लेते थे हम लोग, इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 4 इंटू 5 किया है. बट यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी 1000 है, मतलब 1 से शुरू हो रहा है ना, तो एनी बेस विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1 आपको एंड में मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. तो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड यू विल राइट 1 0 2 4 एंड 1 4 4. हाँ, if I take 2000 and something, so end we will multiply this by 2. Okay, because now your base value will be 2000. If you take base value as 3000, you will multiply it by 3. Okay, but whenever your base value is starting from 1, okay, you don't have to multiply it at the end. Is it clear, students? Okay, now similar if I write it for 974 square. Okay, now 74 is not going to be a 7 digit number, it is going to be a 6 digit number. 974 is going to be a 6 digit number. Okay, now again इसका भी base value 1000 ही होने वाला है, लेकिन because it is close to 1000. So what we will do, 1000 minus 974, which is nothing but 26, and maybe we will square this. So 26 square is 676. First step. Step 2, okay, 974. Now I will subtract. Why? It was less than 1000. Okay, subtract what? 26. 20, 948. Okay, now ओके, बेस वैल्यू 1000 है तो एंड में कुछ मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं. सो विल राइट ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6. यहाँ पर भी 6 डिजिट ऊपर अवेलेबल है. विल राइट स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट. इट इज 9 4 8 6 7 6. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ ठीक है. ओके, नाउ ट्राई फॉर जीवन. चलो, So I give you the square of something interesting. 1973 square. Okay. 2027 square. Okay. 2993 square. Okay, base values will be 2000, here it will be 3000. घरी जास्त पर्यंत डोक्यात स्क्वेअर्सच फिरतील. पाणी पिऊन घे तुझं कसं अजून पण हे एवढं कसं बिंदास. Good, आराम से. Take your own time. Not in a hurry. Base value will be 3000. Third मध्ये. चलो, let's do it. First, 1973. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2000 minus 1973. So this is going to be 27 square 729. Very good. Next step, 1973. It is less than the base value 2000 students. So we'll minus 27. What is this now going to be? 1940. Okay, 43. 4946. Okay. Now this is 2000 base value multiplied by 2, which is 2. Okay. 3992. No. 3992. This was 12 to 1. 4 to 8 plus 1, 9. Yeah. 19 to the 38. 3892. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start writing 3, 8, 9, 2, 7, 2, 9. चुकलं ना. बेस व्हॅल्यू 2000 ना. मी बोललो पण होतो ना की 2000 मध्ये विल मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2, 3000 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 3. एनिथिंग that is not 1, okay, will multiply by 2, 3, 4 depending upon the base value. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, even in second case, what is the value? 2027. So of course it is going to again be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2027 minus 2000, which is 27 square 729. Okay, next what will happen? Okay, yes, 20 exactly. 2027 plus 27, 2054, and may multiply by 2. Why? Base value 2000. So 8, 5 to the 10, 0, 1, 1. So it is 4108729. Okay, what is the next? I guess 2993. So वहां पर base value is going to be students 3000. Okay, kindly take this. ओके चलो 2993 ना. ओके इट विल बी 7 डिजिट नंबर. वाई? क्योंकि देखो स्टूडेंट 3000 का स्क्वायर इज 9 lakhs. ओके 7 डिजिट नंबर आएगा. इससे तो छोटा ही तो डेफिनेटली ये भी 7 डिजिट नंबर होने वाला. सो नाउ बेस वैल्यू इज नाउ 3000. So 3000 minus 2993 which is 7. 7 square is 49. Next step. Okay 2993 minus 7 less than base value is 2986. Of course the base value is 3000 multiplied by 3. 8152 992. Okay so 8958. Now soon see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Of course the right 8 9 5 8 और यहाँ पर एक एक्स्ट्रा जीरो देके 4 9. So it is 8 9 5 8 0 4 9. Okay. Clear? चलो we will stop here. Try आता घरी जाऊन हे सगळं try कर. So everyone is going to try okay various examples okay with the help of whatever is taught today. Okay so that it helps you in the coming lecture. Okay so now we have understood some bit of calculation techniques. So from next lecture we'll start doing some relevant topics with respect to our syllabus. Okay so students thank you for your time. We meet next week. So till then keep studying. Bye. Thank you. Thank you Ritika.